In this video, I'm going to put up the LVL beam across the front of the porch. It's a 20-foot beam. This will be the second 20-foot beam I put up in this project. The other one being the main part of the building that you've seen in another video. I had mixed emotions about buying these LVL beams. I wanted to span this 20 foot with something that I knew wouldn't sag, because especially on this porch and in the main building, I didn't want no support beams in the center of it. I think I could have built beams. My mill will only cut 16.5 foot long material. So to go 20 foot, I would have needed to build a beam by laminating probably 3 boards together. Of course, I would have had joints because of the 16-foot problem. And there are ways to notch out and build those that they won't sag instead of just butt joints. And I kind of wish I would have tried that, but this way I knew it wasn't going to sag, and probably a lot faster, although it cost me, a few $100 or $400, whatever it was, I don't remember. I got the receipts. And at sometime in this project, I'll tally them up and see what we get into this building. But those beams are probably one of the most expensive things I've bought for the building so far. But I think in the long run, it's going to be a decision that I look back on years from now when I forget all about that little bit of money I spent. That it's probably going to be something I'm really happy about. Here I'm doing one of my famous little tricks of build myself a helper. I'm screwing a board onto that 4x4 upright that will hold the beams. And that board is going to be so that the beam, I can't push it off the front of the building when I raise the beam. So I continue to do things like that to be safe and do things right. She's too hot to handle. Lifting these beams, not real bad, 8 foot high. So didn't take that much effort, and we got them up there where we needed to be.
Yeah, you want it. Claws out, unleashed, I'm a beast. Got the whole crowd. Party, make a scene, gonna get loud. Real proud, show my teeth. Go wild like an animal. Like an animal! Like an animal! Go wild like an animal! Wildin' out like an animal. Go wild like an animal. I'm a machine working every day the hardest. Superhuman vision, got my eyes on the target. Claws out, unleashed, I'm a beast. Got the whole crowd. Party, make a scene, gonna get loud. Real proud, show my teeth. Go wild like an animal. Like an animal. Like an animal. Go wild like an animal. Wildin' out like an animal. Go wild like an animal. Like an animal. Go wild like an animal. Like an animal. Like an animal. Go wild like an animal. Wildin' out like an animal. Go wild like an animal.
My old friend came back today. He's trying to carry me to my grave. The shallow earth is where my bones now lay. But the earth keeps sinking deeper and I can't escape. I'm just another soul trying to be saved. This love's gonna carry me to my grave. I'm just another soul trying to be saved. This love's gonna carry me to my grave. Love and understanding and accepted your ways from the corners of the earth. Now where you scream my name, I'm just beginning to regret you and my old ways. 'Cause I'm just too scared now, too goddamn scared to change. I'm just another soul trying to be saved. This love's gonna carry me to my grave. I'm just another soul trying to be saved. This love's gonna carry me to my grave. This love's gonna carry me to my grave. I'm just another soul trying to be saved. This love's gonna carry me to my grave. This love's gonna carry me to my grave. This love's gonna carry me to my She's a queen with a forced 5 horsepower, kicking up dust at the seam. She's a story mama told you not to touch, but you can shake your curiosity. She's too hot to handle. Too hot to handle. She's a heat stroke, summertime sunshine, heartbreaking kind of machine. Looking twice for a good time, turning around for something you ain't ever seen. She's too hot to handle. Too hot to handle. She's too hot to handle. Too hot to She's too hot to handle. Too hot to handle. She's too hot to handle. Too hot to handle.
If you see me coming, I'm about to get it started. Get it started. I'ma show you something that you never knew you wanted. Yeah, you want it. Claws out, unleashed, I'm a beast. Got the whole crowd. Party, make a scene. Gonna get loud. Real proud, show my teeth. Go wild like an animal. Like an animal! Like an animal. Go wild like an animal. Wildin' out like an animal. Go wild like an animal. I'm a machine working every day the hardest. Superhuman vision, got my eyes on the target. Claws out, unleashed, I'm a beast. Got the whole crowd. Party, make a scene. Gonna get loud. Real proud, show my teeth. Go wild like an animal. Like an animal. Like an animal. Go wild like an animal. Wildin' out like an animal.
So once this beam is all screwed together and this part of the job's done, the next video, what we're going to do, we're going to build the ridge beam to extend from the main building out over this beam, which will be the start of the roof structure for the porch itself. Just stay tuned for that video next.